Hi there, students. An authority or authority. This is a noun, both countable and uncountable. I think it's quite difficult to define this word, but I would define authority as power, control, authorization, jurisdiction, expertise, influence, command, rule, supremacy, dominance. Okay, authority says that you have the moral or the legal right to control people, or the ability to control, to make decisions. So I want to talk to somebody in authority. Somebody who has the ability to control, somebody who has the ability to lead. But if I am free, I don't see why anybody should have authority over me. I don't think anybody has the right to declare authority over me. I need to get the support of someone in authority, an important person, a person of high rank. The government has used its authority to give peace in the area. You have been acting without authority, without permission. I gave my lawyers a power of attorney, which gives them the authority, the permission to act on my behalf. He has no authority in his classroom. He has no ability to control. So I like to think that I speak with authority, that I am an authority on the English language. I have a lot of special knowledge about the English language, but I am not an authority in the idea of I have control over you. You decide what you want to do. So the health authority, the port authority, these are a group of people with the official responsibility for a specific area of activity. The authorities, the people with the power to make decisions, the people who make us obey the laws. The police or the local government, these are the authorities. A good teacher has authority in a classroom, but not by saying, you do that. It's because the people want to do it, because the teacher is a good example. The Prime Minister survived a challenge to authority. He has no respect for authority whatsoever. This sounds like a teenager. Children are always challenging their authority. And then an expert on a subject. I like to think that I'm an authority about the English language, about learning English as a foreign language. But then we also have the idea of the authority, the police. The police have the authority to enforce the law. Somebody who has the legal authority to do something. The church authorities. I'm going to report this to the authority. He's an authority on legal disputes. So the authority is the official power to make decisions. If you're a good leader, you delegate authority. You give other people the power to do something, the authority to do something. You have authority over a group of people. So parents have the legal authority over their children until they're 16 or 18. You give somebody, you grant somebody authority to do something, you give them authorization, you allow them to do it, you give them legal permission, you give them the right to do something. You don't have the authority to do this, you don't have the legal right. The housing authority are the group of the official organization who have the duty to manage a particular service. Okay, so the authority to influence other people, to make them respect you because you're confident, because you know a lot. So if you give a speech, you should speak with authority. If you don't speak with authority in an interview, it's not a very good thing. So an authority, an expert on a particular subject, somebody whose opinions influence somebody else or influence other people. Okay, so authority, it's a word with lots of different nuances: command, rulership, sovereignty. The power to or in an official position for enforcement. Okay, authority. Formality. 5 in formality. Use it in anywhere. And let's see, this comes from the Latin phrase auctoritas. Command, invention, advice. Auctor, master, leader, author. Okay, so this is effectively, it's talking about power. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Authority.